Hello, everyone. I want to give a big shout out to Carlette DeVoe and the DeVoe Group. Carlette did an exceptional job at Urban League of Palm Beach County with our professional branding. I'm Soulan Johnson. I'm the VP of Development and Communications. We are so excited that she was able to share many strategies to help our organization maintain branding, to help our employees identify how to ensure that their attitudes are positive and that they are able to come to work dressed professionally. And dressing professionally will always be able to equal and to be a positive behavior. Carlette DeVoe, I always will ask everyone to hire her to be able to talk to you in a friendly manner, to be able to help your employees to excel and to generate revenue. So thank you again, Carlette DeVoe and the DeVoe Group, for making sure that we empower communities and change lives.